Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how the Roman government worked. Follow along as I break down roles, institutions, and decision processes step by step. We will explore the Senate, magistrates, assemblies, and informal powers that shaped policy and law. I will clarify how elections, appointments, and checks balanced authority, and how military influence affected governance. Stay curious and listen closely, and I will guide you through complex structures with clear examples and simple language. Delve into the Senate and magistrates to see how decisions were made and executed. The Senate functioned as a deliberative body controlling finances and foreign policy, while magistrates carried out laws and commands. Consuls and praetors led magistracies with imperium, and lesser officials handled daily administration. Influence came from precedent, patronage, and elite networks rather than modern party systems. Understanding these roles reveals how power balanced between collective counsel and individual authority. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more history explainers. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps floors clean while you read about Rome, with voice control and smart mapping that saves time for study. It picks up crumbs from snacks during long research sessions and returns to base automatically. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy this tip, hit subscribe. Now let's get back to the video. The assemblies were key to popular participation and official legitimacy. Citizens voted in assemblies to pass laws, elect magistrates, and decide capital cases in some instances. Voting was organized by tribes or centuries, which affected influence and patronage connections. While not fully democratic by modern standards, assemblies gave visible consent to decisions and could be swayed by elite campaigning, public oratory, and military outcomes that shaped political consensus and tradition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.